Hello everyone, welcome back to MacWin. In today's video, we'll try to learn how to use text expanders. Are you the kind of person who is repeatedly using text back and forth in your emails or in conversation? Are you working as a typist or as a stenographer? Then this tool will come really handy to you. So if you are the kind of person who is repeatedly using a sentence or writing them back and forth, or if you are working into customer support, this tool will come really handy to you. This helps you in creating customizable snippets of text where you can just invoke a shortcut and it will fill up your entire conversation. You can in fact write an entire paragraph using this, and we'll now get started with the application. Go to Google and open up an application named Espanso. So this application is the only free application which is available online. There are a lot of tools which are available for text replacement or for text enlargement, but this is the one which is absolutely free available. And this is cross-platform as well, so that gives you an added advantage. You can install it on your Mac OS as well as in Windows, also in your Linux as well. In this video, I'll show you how to install it and work it on Mac as well as Windows machines. So download the installer, click on Run Anyway, install the application, continue the steps. And once the application is installed, just click on open the application. The application by default runs on your Windows, and it gets added up into your control panel. Now, so once this is complete, we'll be able to edit the config file and able to make some more changes. We'll be able to add our own custom phrases, and we'll be able to add up our own jargons or whatever shortcuts or snippets we need to write in this. So for example, by default, there is an once the application is installed, when you click on your space bar, the application gets invoked and you will be able to see your date component as well as the default text here. So to change your contents and replace it with your actual snippets, what I do is I'll go to my notepad file. I'm just going to try this. The default which is available here, I'm using a colon and I'm just invoking the tag as date. It automatically fills up the date component. So you can click on seeing the search bar here. So to activate with your own snippets and own contents, what I do is I go to the users folder, go into your user account where you'll be able to see app data. This folder will be normally a hidden folder. So to show all the hidden files, go to your file menus and take the option as view or show all files. Then once you go into that app data, go into the roaming folder and take the option as Espanso. Inside that, you'll be able to see the match folder. That's where all your contents reside. So inside that is more like an XML. So this XML file we call here with the name as base. So inside the base file, try to open it with the notepad or any other text editing document. So here I'm opening it with Notepad++, and here you'll be able to see the text contents that could be added into this. So this snippet, I'm just going to replace it with my actual content here. So I'm just duplicating the same content, whatever is available there, and just align it so that it's easier for you to understand how it is and how it's working. So now I'm just trying to add up some text. Say for example, you work in an organization where you've been asked to add up your entry and exit times. So I'm just giving a shortcut here as SRT, where I'm just trying to call that. It gives me a time of starting to your work. So you get to easily given information as starting for the day. The same day you want to come up with the ending for the day, you need to type it again and again. You can simply use it as your shortcut, whatever you want to use it, and it automatically throws in with your text contents. So you may say that you can very well copy paste, but this actually comes in handy when you have to use in a big jargon of text or a big paragraph of text. So this is the Windows installation which we saw now. We'll try seeing the same on a Mac OS as well. So that's again the easier way to do it. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm downloading the application on a Mac machine, and I'm trying to download the file and expand the zip file, and you'll have to just see the file as Espanso. Just copy it into your applications folder. Once it's copied into the application folder, you can press your command and space bar to invoke it. and you can go to the settings folder, and how we added up in the Windows installation, we'll be able to add our own contents into it as well. So in the Mac OS, it's going to be a bit different, or because the files do not reside as in our Windows installations. So to do that, what I do is I try to go into my library folder. So go to your C drive and open your user account, the user account of your default computer. If you have one or more user accounts, then you might have various user accounts there. And inside that, there'll be a hidden folder named as library. Click on option or command, you'll be able to see your library folder. Click on the library, and inside the library folder, you will be able to see a folder named application support. Go into application support, where you will be able to see Espanso. So go inside Espanso, there you will be able to see match. This is the same folder which we saw in Windows. Here you see the same base.yml file. So this is the same file which we had in Windows. So if you have a copy of that file, you can keep a copy of that in your cloud as well, and you can deploy it on multiple PCs, so that every PC can use the same shortcut and easily fill in the text contents. So this text expander comes really useful or really handy for people who are into typing in the same text over and over again, or for people who are into the job of a typist or a stenographer, or into someone who is into documenting, or into quality assurance or something of that sort. So now I'm trying to open with another text editing document. So here I'm using Sublime, and here I just copy paste the text. How I did it in Windows, I'll do it in the same way here. Just copy your content and replace it with your actual contents that need to show up. Now after I save it, you can see that it's throwing up an error. That's because the alignments, you could see here that it's throwing up an error. That's because the alignment is mismatched here, because it's taking it as an actual content file. So make the alignment like how it is in the default structure. That's the syntax with the YML file is following. So just copy the same syntax and replicate with your actual contents. Now you'll be able to see that the text is getting replaced here as well. So this tool comes really handy. I've tried up a lot of applications which is available in the market, and this seems to be one of the perfect ones. And this is absolutely free, and it's cross-platform as well. So you can use it on your Windows, Macintosh, Linux, all the platforms, and you can just keep a copy of your YML files and deploy it wherever you need. And so this text replacement comes really handy whenever you need to speeden up your work, or to build up your work progress, or to enhance up your speeds in typing the sentences back and back again. So besides that, there are some dynamic features as well in this application, where you'll be able to, instead of these static contents, you'll be able to throw dynamic contents as well, like the system time or the date, or your the system shell scripting, or whatever you want to throw there. You'll be able to give those as well in this place. So that's been it. So this is a really cool application. I've been using this for almost quite a few years now, and I hope that you guys would use it as well. So if you really like this application, or if you want me to speak about such applications, do leave your comments on the comment section. Do subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon to activate your notifications. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.